5 functions of eating peanut butter every day. Peanut butter is a spreadable paste made from ground roasted peanuts. Typically, peanuts are roasted to bring out their flavor and then ground into a paste along with other ingredients such as salt, sugar, and sometimes oil to make it smooth and creamy. Peanut butter can be consumed on its own, used as a spread on bread or toast, or incorporated into recipes for cooking or baking. It is a popular food item due to its rich taste, versatility, and nutritional benefits. Peanut butter is a good source of protein, healthy fats, and various vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin E, magnesium, and potassium. However, it is important to note that some brands of peanut butter may contain added sugars or other ingredients that are not as healthy, so it is important to read the ingredient list before purchasing. What is the function of peanut butter? Peanut butter serves multiple functions in the context of human consumption. Here are some of the primary functions of peanut butter. Number 1 is nutritious food, number 2 is a source of energy, number 3 is a versatile ingredient, number 4 is satiety, and number 5 is convenience. Overall, peanut butter can serve as a nutritious and versatile food that can provide various benefits to the body, depending on how it is consumed. Nutritious food. Peanut butter is a nutritious food that provides several essential nutrients to the body. Here are some of the key nutrients found in peanut butter. Protein. Peanut butter is a good source of protein, which is important for building and repairing tissues in the body, as well as maintaining strong muscles. Healthy fats. Peanut butter contains monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are healthy fats that can help to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Fiber. Peanut butter is a good source of dietary fiber, which can aid in digestion and help to regulate blood sugar levels. Vitamins. Peanut butter contains several vitamins, including vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that can protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, and vitamin B6, which is important for brain function and the production of red blood cells. Minerals. Peanut butter is a good source of several minerals, including magnesium, which is important for bone health, and potassium, which helps to regulate blood pressure. Overall, consuming peanut butter as a part of a balanced diet can provide several essential nutrients to the body, making it a nutritious food choice. However, it is important to choose peanut butter brands that do not contain added sugars or other unhealthy ingredients, as these can detract from the overall nutritional value of the food. Source of energy. Peanut butter is a great source of energy due to its high calorie content and nutrient composition. Here are some ways in which peanut butter can provide energy to the body. Calories. Peanut butter is a calorie-dense food, meaning that it contains a significant amount of calories per serving. One serving of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons, contains around 190 calories, which can provide a quick source of energy to the body. Carbohydrates. Peanut butter contains some carbohydrates, which are an important source of energy for the body. Carbohydrates are broken down into glucose, which is used by the body as fuel for various processes. Healthy fats. Peanut butter contains monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are healthy fats that can be used by the body for energy. These fats are broken down into fatty acids, which can be used by cells as a source of energy. Protein. While peanut butter is not a significant source of protein, it does contain some protein, which can be used by the body for energy. Protein can also help to preserve lean muscle mass, which is important for overall health and fitness. Overall, peanut butter can be a great source of energy for the body due to its calorie content and nutrient composition. However, it is important to consume peanut butter in moderation, as excessive intake can lead to weight gain and other health issues. Versatile ingredient. Peanut butter is a versatile ingredient that can be used in many different ways in cooking and baking. Here are some examples of how peanut butter can be used. Spread. peanut butter can be spread on bread, toast, crackers, or rice cakes for a quick and easy snack or meal. Smoothies. Peanut butter can be added to smoothies to give them a creamy texture and a boost of protein. Baking. Peanut butter can be used in baking recipes, such as cookies, brownies, and cakes, to add flavor and texture. Sauces and dressings. Peanut butter can be used as a base for sauces and dressings, such as sauté sauce or peanut vinaigrette. Dips. Peanut butter can be used as a dip for fruits or vegetables, such as apples or carrots. Ice cream. Peanut butter can be mixed into ice cream or used as a topping. Energy balls. Peanut butter can be used as a binding agent in energy balls, which are a popular snack for athletes and health enthusiasts. Overall, peanut butter's versatility makes it a popular ingredient in many different types of cuisine, from sweet to savory. Its rich, nutty flavor and smooth texture make it a favorite among many people, and it can be used in a variety of ways to add flavor, texture, and nutrition to meals and snacks. Satiety. Peanut butter can promote satiety, which is the feeling of fullness and satisfaction after a meal. Here are some ways in which peanut butter can help to promote satiety. Protein. Peanut butter is a good source of protein, which can help to promote satiety by slowing down the digestion process. Protein takes longer to digest than carbohydrates or fats, which means that it stays in the stomach for longer and can help to keep you feeling full for longer periods of time. Healthy fats. Peanut butter contains healthy fats such as monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which can help to promote satiety by slowing down the emptying of the stomach. This means that you may feel full for longer after eating peanut butter, compared to a meal that contains only carbohydrates. Fiber. Peanut butter is a good source of dietary fiber, which can also help to promote satiety by adding bulk to the diet and slowing down the digestive process. Low glycemic index. Peanut butter has a low glycemic index, which means that it does not cause a rapid increase in blood sugar levels. This can help to prevent spikes and crashes in blood sugar, which can lead to hunger and overeating. Overall, consuming peanut butter as part of a balanced diet can help to promote satiety and prevent overeating. However, it is important to consume peanut butter in moderation, as it is a calorie-dense food that can contribute to weight gain if consumed in excess. Convenience. Peanut butter is a convenient food that can be easily incorporated into a busy lifestyle. Here are some reasons why peanut butter is a convenient food. Easy to store. Peanut butter can be stored at room temperature, which makes it easy to keep on hand for a quick snack or meal. Long shelf life. Peanut butter has a long shelf life, which means that it can be stored in the pantry for several months without spoiling. Quick and easy to prepare. Peanut butter can be used as a quick and easy source of protein and healthy fats. It can be spread on bread or crackers for a simple snack, or added to smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt for a more substantial meal. Portable. Peanut butter can be packed in a lunchbox or backpack for a convenient on-the-go snack. Versatile. As mentioned earlier, peanut butter is a versatile ingredient that can be used in many different ways in cooking and baking. Nutritious. Peanut butter is a nutrient-dense food that provides protein, healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Consuming peanut butter as part of a balanced diet can help to meet nutrient needs and promote overall health. Overall, peanut butter is a convenient food that can be incorporated into a busy lifestyle in many different ways. Its ease of storage, long shelf life, and versatility make it a popular choice for people who are looking for quick and nutritious meal and snack options.